Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with AI, your go-to place for improving English communication skills. I'm your host, John, and today we are diving deep into one of the most common questions: how to improve English speaking skills. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to become more fluent, this podcast is packed with tips, tricks, and unique insights to help you master spoken English. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Segment 1: Why English speaking skills matter. Before we jump into the tips, let's talk about why improving your English speaking skills is so important. English is the most widely spoken language in the world, with over 1.5 billion speakers. Whether it's for career growth, travel, or making new friends, being confident in speaking English can open up endless opportunities. And let's not forget, it boosts your self-confidence and makes you feel empowered in global settings. If you're ready to level up your English, let's get into the practical steps. Segment 2: Building the foundation. To improve your speaking skills, it's crucial to build a strong foundation. Here's how you can start. 1. Master basic grammar. Don't skip the basics. Grammar is like the skeleton of your language skills. Focus on common tenses like present, past, and future. For example, I eat present, I ate past, I will eat future. Keep it simple, don't overwhelm yourself with advanced grammar in the beginning. 2. Expand your vocabulary. Learn words and phrases that are relevant to your daily life. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to memorize new words. Try learning in context. For example, instead of memorizing apple, think of a sentence like, I eat an apple every morning. Segment 3: Practical strategies to improve speaking skills. Now that you've got the basics down, let's move on to practical strategies that work. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Create an English-rich environment at home. Label items around your house in English, like door, chair, or mirror. Change your phone and app language settings to English. 2. Think in English. This is a game changer. Start thinking about your daily activities in English. For example, while cooking, say to yourself, I'm chopping vegetables. 3. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker and repeat after them immediately. Use YouTube videos, podcasts, or TV shows for this. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. 4. Practice speaking daily. Consistency is key. Dedicate at least 15 to 30 minutes a day to speaking practice. Talk about your day, your goals, or even describe what you see around you. 5. Record yourself. Recording your voice is one of the best ways to track progress. Play it back to check for pronunciation errors and fluency. Over time, you'll notice improvement and gain confidence. 6. Use technology. Leverage AI tools like language apps to practice conversations. Apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Cambly connect you with native speakers. You can even use voice-to-text features on your phone to see how accurately it understands your spoken English. Segment 4: Overcoming common challenges. Let's address some common challenges you might face while improving your English speaking skills and how to overcome them. 1. Fear of making mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. Focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. 2. Lack of practice partners. If you don't have someone to practice with, don't worry. Talk to yourself, use language exchange apps, or practice with AI tools. 3. Limited time. Busy schedule. Try micro-learning. Practice for just 5 to 10 minutes during breaks or while commuting. 4. Pronunciation struggles. Use online pronunciation tools like Forvo or Youglish. Break down difficult words into smaller syllables and practice them slowly. Segment 5: Unique and effective tips. Here are some unique strategies that aren't often mentioned but can make a big difference. 1. Learn idioms and expressions. Using idiomatic expressions makes your English sound natural. For example, instead of saying, I'm very happy, say, I'm over the moon. 2. Join virtual communities. Participate in online forums, social media groups, or Discord channels where English is spoken. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your opinions in English. 3. Read aloud. Reading aloud improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Choose simple stories, news articles, or even scripts from your favorite movies. 4. Imitate real conversations. Watch interviews or vlogs and try to mimic real-life conversations. Pay attention to the way people greet, agree, or disagree. 5. Follow Learn English with AI. On my channel, Learn English with AI, you'll find exclusive lessons on conversational phrases, pronunciation tips, and confidence building strategies. Subscribe today to take your English skills to the next level. Segment 6. The role of consistency and patience. Improving your English speaking skills is not an overnight process, it takes time, consistency, and a positive mindset. Set realistic goals, like learning 5 new phrases a week or practicing for 15 minutes daily. Celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, every word you speak in English brings you closer to fluency. That's it for today's episode on how to improve English speaking skills. I hope you found these tips helpful and actionable. If you're serious about becoming a confident English speaker, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn English with AI. You'll find tons of practical lessons to boost your communication skills. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the key to success is practice, patience, and persistence. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.